The XTDF is a versatile, programmable tactical flashlight. Its maximum brightness of around 1000 lumens puts it in our strategic light family, though it offers lower settings for typical duty use and other applications. Each time you turn it on, it defaults to its maximum brightness, as we consider that an officer's safety priority. But a quick double tap of the tail cap switch accesses a secondary light level that you pre-program. You can set that secondary level to 15 or 300 lumens or to strobe simply by rotating the bezel, pressing the programming button to cycle through the modes, and stopping at the one you want. Turn the bezel back and your secondary mode is locked in until you reprogram it. The XT offers dual fuel flexibility, so you'll never be without power. The included rechargeable 18650 battery charges right inside the flashlight, and an onboard indicator lets you know when charging is complete. There's also a tricolor battery capacity indicator that tells you how much charge you have left. If you don't have time or a place to recharge, just swap out the 18650 battery for two optional CR123A disposable cells and stay powered up. ASP's trademark 3-position switch lets you quickly and positively choose between constant on, intermittent, and locked. Like all ASP lighting tools, the XTDF is meticulously crafted of the best materials and components money can buy. Its premium circuitry and gold-plated connectors are housed in a hard-coat anodized aluminum barrel. Our unique foamed vinyl grip provides a sure hold in all conditions. Up front, the genuine Cree LED is surrounded by a machined and polished reflector and a German optical glass lens. Finally, the XTDF is compatible with ASP's tactical light case. The TLC is our unique, exclusive rotating belt carrier that turns your XT into a hands-free illumination tool. Whether you're on the job, at home, or enjoying the outdoors, it's a must-have accessory.